Hello everyone, I'm here in Guizhou province, southwest China, at the site of what will soon become the highest bridge on earth, the Huajiang Canyon Bridge. Right now, I'm standing over 600 meters above the valley floor, and once completed, this engineering marvel will span a gorge that's even deeper than the Eiffel Tower is tall. Today I'm at the construction site of one of the most jaw-dropping engineering projects on earth, the Huajiang Canyon Bridge in Guizhou. And this isn't just any bridge. When completed, it will officially become the highest bridge in the world. Right now, I'm standing right where history is being built. This is a super long span steel truss suspension bridge, stretching across the dynamic cliffs between Guanling County in Anshun City and Zhengfen County in Qianxinan Prefecture. Beneath the bridge flows the Huajiang section of the Beipan River, a deep canyon that once made crossing this region a slow and winding challenge. The numbers here are simply mind-blowing. The bridge deck stands 625 meters above the river. That's taller than 200-story building, and 60 meters higher than the current world record holder, the Beipanjiang Bridge. It also boasts the longest main span in any mountainous region on Earth, a staggering 1,420 meters, beating the Jing'an-Jinsha River Bridge in Yunnan by 34 meters. In total, the bridge is made up of 93 steel truss segments, weighing a combined 21,000 tons. Just below the bridge lies Huajiang Village, a traditional Buyi ethnic settlement nestled deep in the gorge. In December 2016, the village was officially listed as part of China's fourth batch of traditional villages. It's home to centuries-old cultural relics, including ancient cliffside carvings from the ancient Tea-Horse Road and the well-preserved Huajiang Iron Chain Bridge. Now, as the world's tallest bridge nears completion, Huajiang Village stands at the edge of a new chapter. Under the Bridge Tourism Integration 3.0 strategy, the village is embracing tourism, developing homestays and farm-style restaurants, turning its once remote location into a destination of both cultural and engineering wonder. Standing here today, you realize it's not just about crossing a canyon, it's about bridging past and the future. Connecting people and conquering nature without destroying it. High above the canyon, construction workers are still hard at work on the towering bridge pylons. Watching them operate at such dizzying heights is both humbling and awe-inspiring. Their precision and dedication are what make a project of this scale possible. It's a reminder that behind every engineering marvel, there are real people, risking, building, and shaping the future.
And not just the numbers that impress, it's the sheer difficulty. Building a suspension bridge this high in such mountainous terrain means battling wind, fog, extreme vertical drops, and getting thousands of tons of steel up here.
To ensure precision during construction, engineers have installed a smart control center beneath the main tower. More than 30 HD cameras and sensors feed real-time data to a massive screen, allowing the team to monitor and respond instantly to any changes. They also built a smart cable crane system using Beidou satellite positioning and IoT technology. It allows each steel segment to be lifted, placed with just a push of a button. Fast, accurate, safe. As the drone glides parallel to the bridge, we get an up-close look at the elegant lines and the robust framework of this engineering giant. The massive steel trusses stretch across the canyon with incredible precision, showcasing not just structural strength, but also architectural beauty. It's a rare perspective, flying alongside the bridge at eye level, that lets us truly feel its scale. Flying underneath the bridge, the drone reveals the intricate steel truss structure in stunning detail. Every beam, every joint, every weld, it's a masterclass in modern engineering. From this angle, you can truly appreciate the complexity and strength required to span such an immense canyon. This isn't just infrastructure, it's artistry in steel.
Guess what? This bridge is a key part of a new expressway linking Guizhou to Sichuan, cutting travel time and boosting regional economy.
And this bridge isn't just for transportation. Once open, it will become part of a new kind of bridge tourism hub, centered around Yundu service area. Visitors will be able to ride sightseeing elevators, walk along panoramic corridors, and even take part in extreme sports. On July 15, 2025, the bridge deck's asphalt paving was officially completed. A major milestone that means the main structure is now done. The finishing touches are underway. Painting, lane markings, and final safety inspections. As of now, the bridge is 28.2% complete and is expected to officially open by the end of September 2025. Once it opens, the impact will be huge. drivers traveling between Liuzhi and Anlong will no longer have to snake through endless mountain roads. What used to take 2 hours will now take just 2 or 3 minutes. The Huajiang Canyon Bridge is more than a shortcut. It's a symbol of how far human engineering has come, and how bridges like this can truly connect people, places, and possibilities.
This is not just a project, it's a legacy in steel and concrete.
As we pull back for a final view, the vast Karst landscape unfolds around the bridge. Towering cliffs, deep gorges, and lush green valleys. It's a dramatic contrast between nature's ancient power and human innovation. Here, the Huajiang Grand Canyon Bridge doesn't just cross a river, it connects worlds.
If you are inspired by future engineering and hidden corners of the world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. More epic stories coming soon.